Hello, it's Ness Tilson here. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use the Quick Design Boxful submethod library. The Boxful library enables you to set up how the different panels of your cabinets will be assembled. You can access the library in the Library Submethods Boxful menu. The elements in this library are organized in categories with a reference number. The reference 000 up to 003 and up to 009 if you add your own are the base styles that define the basic panel priorities. For example, 00 SP-all/all P-K has the sides priority to all the other panels. All the other panels are priority to the back. The following elements starting from 010 are styles made using the basic styles. The last three digits show the base style that they are using. So for example, this style 010 is using the base style 000. Coding of this style means the back is set back 10 millimeters and that the back is grooved into the surrounds 10 millimeters deep. The following styles 011 have the same coding, but the back here is set back 19 millimeters, and the 012 the back is set back 24 millimeters. It's easy to make your own style using a basic style. For instance, if we want to make a style to build a bedside table with the top overlapping the other panels by 30 millimeters and the bottom lifted up by 120 millimeters. To do this, it's easy to copy this basic style 001. Taking the 001, we have a top which is on top of all the other panels. If I copy this style and let's add a prefix which is BS for bedside and then table, and then let's add the different specifications of the panel priorities. I'm going to say the top is plus 30 millimeters, meaning that the top is overlapping 30 millimeters all around, and that the bottom is up, so it's minus 120 millimeters. And let's leave at the end of our style name 001, meaning that it is actually based on the 001 style. Now this name now gives us how this style is built. Let's actually build the style itself. I'm going to click on the plus button here and say that the top, which is the overpassing panel, compared to the sides and to the back and to the front, has an overlap of 30 millimeters. When I click OK, we can see the style in the window is updated with the top overlapping 30 millimeters all around. Now let's add a rule to lift the bottom up 120 millimeters. I'm going to click on the plus again, and I'm going to say that the overpassing panels are the sides. Relative to the bottom, they are overlapping 120 millimeters. And when I click OK, the bottom has been lifted up, or the sides have been pushed down, if you want, 120 millimeters here. When I click OK, we now have our new style. If I start a new cabinet and I apply this new style, submethods Boxful, and we have here our BS table style, and I click OK, we can see that the basic cabinet has now been set up with this new style. In 3D it looks like this. For more details on Quick Design Boxful styles, don't forget to read the Quick Design manual.